After job evaluations and pay survey data are gathered, pay structures can be developed. Pay structures may be created for various types or categories of jobs, such as hourly, salaried, technical, sales, and management. The nature, culture, and structure of the organization are considered when determining how many and which pay structures to have. When establishing a pay structure, organizations use pay grades, which are groupings of individual jobs that have approximately the same value to the organization. Although no set rules govern the establishment of pay grades, 11 to 17 grades are generally used in small to medium-sized organizations. Two methods commonly used to establish pay grades are job evaluation data and job market banding. One approach for determining pay grades uses job evaluation points or other data gathered from traditional job evaluation methods. This process ties pay survey information to job evaluation data by plotting a market line that shows the relationship between job value as determined by job evaluation points and job value as determined by pay survey rates. Market lines are developed by using statistical analysis techniques to calculate the regression equation. A market line uses data to place jobs having similar point values into pay grades. Pay ranges can then be computed for each pay grade. Closely linked to the use of market pricing to value jobs, market banding groups jobs into pay grades based on similar market survey amounts. The midpoint of the survey average is used to develop pay range minimums and maximums. Once pay grades are determined, the pay range for each pay grade must be established. Using the market line as a starting point, the employer can determine minimum and maximum pay levels for each pay grade by making the market line the midpoint line of the new pay structure. For example, in a particular pay grade, the maximum value may be 20% above the midpoint located on the market line, and the minimum value may be 20% below it. It is common to have broader pay ranges for higher level job grades because more discretion is needed to reflect capability and performance differences. For example, for entry-level and production jobs, the pay range may be 10 to 15% above or below the midpoint. For executive level positions, the range may be 40 to 60% above or below the midpoint. The practice of using fewer pay grades with much broader pay ranges than in traditional compensation systems is called broad banding. Combining many grades into these broad bands is designed to encourage horizontal movement and therefore more skill acquisition. The main advantage of broad banding is that it's more consistent with the flattening of organizational levels and the growing use of jobs that are multidimensional.